Like damn, she in her mood. She lit, get money too. Like damn, she in her mood. She in her mood. Like damn, she in her mood. She in her mood.
Hey Glam Squad, welcome back to another hot mess day in my life. Today is officially Halloween. We are doing our little Halloween celebration here at the house. We're not going trick-or-treating. Trick-or-treating is canceled this year. Alexa, what's the temperature?
Right now, it's 60 degrees Fahrenheit. Tonight, expect a low of 30 degrees.
Well, how would it happen? A low of 30 degrees tonight. So it's not that cold right now, but the low is sending me. So we are not going trick-or-treating tonight. We're just gonna hang out at the house, watch some movies, order some pizza. Well, no, I'm not gonna order pizza. I'm actually gonna order Wingstop, and I'm just gonna go grab some frozen pizza from the grocery store, and then bake cookies, make cinnamon rolls, you know, all the nice cozy fall Halloween activities. And I'm sitting on the floor right now because I'm giving the baby a bath. So if you hear some splashing, it's her. As you can see, there's laundry everywhere. And the house is really a mess. Oh my God, I'm hot in this hoodie right now. Like it's gonna be, it was cold this morning. It was freezing this morning. It probably was like 30-some degrees this morning when I took the kids to school. Well, not the kids, Tiana. I'll tell you about that in a minute.
If it's like something like 20 something, I don't care. I ain't going outside.
So anyway, it was freezing this morning when I took Tiana to school, and then it warmed up. Then tonight the temp is going to be dropping again. So yeah, we're not going outside, we're staying in. So anyway, little life update. Fatty is sick again. Like I mean having 3 kids is great, but somebody's always sick. So Fatty was just sick, so he stayed home from school today. He had a fever yesterday when he came home from school, and he said that his stomach and his head hurt. So I gave him a home COVID test. That was negative, so I don't think it was COVID. He probably just had like some sort of virus or something like that. Like the weather has been all over the place, so it definitely could have been from somebody at the school or the weather changes or whatever. She splashed you?
Miss, can you stop splashing it? And the bubble just popped. Everyone up to my toes.
Yeah, so anyway, the weather's been all over the place. Oh, okay, so we did like our little candy hunt thing the other day. That was fun. My nephew came over, my sister and my brother too, and they got tons of candy because my sister brought candy too, and it was just the 3 kids because obviously the baby can't participate, so it was just Tiana, Fatty, and then my nephew. So they had a ton of candy. Cute. They got to wear their Halloween costumes that day, and they took pictures and stuff like that. I'll probably insert a couple of pictures wherever. I don't know. And then we watched a scary movie after that. So today we're just gonna be hanging out in the house. Oh yeah, we have to carve a pumpkin too because we never did carve a pumpkin. We have a pumpkin, we just didn't carve it. So yeah, so that's what we're doing. This weather is crazy. Now it's 67 degrees outside. Now it's like hot. Anyway, we're on our way to Walmart. I put in an order at Wingstop, so we're just gonna grab that stuff and then head back to the house. So I will see y'all in a minute. Y'all watch my baby while I bring in the groceries.
Didn't it rocking herself? I'm not ready. What? No, I'm not.
That's what you need. If y'all find an ice cream, let me know so I can put it in the freezer.
Yeah, we got some ice cream.
You see it?
Yeah, it's right here. Vanilla.
Let me get it.
And it's perfect because you got.
Yeah, we're gonna do root beer floats. I'm gonna put some of the I'm gonna put a couple of root beers in the freezer now so they be cold when we eat. Okay, so real quick, a little grocery haul. So we just got some more lights for the ceiling fans. That's the oven because I preheated the oven so we can put the pizza in. But anyway, I just got like a little bowl and a plate. Some heavy whipping cream. This is for our cinnamon rolls. Some seasoning blend. This is onions, peppers, and celery for cooking. Some broccoli florets, some mayo, a pack of chicken, some cheese hot dogs, some everything bagels, some chicken leg quarters. This is actually for the dog. I told you guys before that we cook her meals. I bought some pizzas for today. So I got a 4-cheese pizza and I got a pepperoni pizza, a pack of chicken wings, some barbecue sauce, some matcha so I can make some matcha at home, some styling gel. I am trying to stay away from edge control. I personally feel like edge control is pulling my edges out. So I'm going to try to go back to hair gel because this actually does not tear out my edges. So some baby magic for the baby, some press-on nails. These are the Bare But Better. This is the Impress brand. Is it the Impress brand or is it the Kiss brand? Okay, so this is the Kiss brand, the Impress Bare But Better. And then again, the Kiss brand, this is the Bare But Better as well. This is the True Nude nails. And then this one was the, oh, this is also True Nude. Anyway, this is an almond shape. And then this one is like a more of like a square shape. And this is short. The other ones are medium. Some Mr. Clean to clean the floors. And some laundry detergent. And then for the kiddos, shoot, I'm always dropping stuff. I got Tanea some pajamas. She needed some long sleeve pajamas with pants. So I got her these. She's going to wear these today because everybody else is going to get changed into their pajamas when we get ready to watch our movies. And then I got Tiana a t-shirt for Halloween. So they didn't have any pajamas for her in her size. So I just got her a t-shirt and she'll just wear this with some shorts tonight. And then just some underwear for the boy and some underwear for the girl. I got the Wingstop. So for Wingstop, my order, I get the mango habanero and I also got the Cajun. And for the kids, I got the Hawaiian. For my dipping sauce, I always get ranch only. I get all carrots. And my fries, I get them with extra seasoning, fried hard. That is my Wingstop order. I did also get in a couple of packages from Target, so I'm going to show y'all that really quick. And then I'm going to go ahead and get my kids situated.
She's going to give the apple to Cash. And where the heck is Cash?
She's in the backyard. Just throw it out there. Because I don't want her eating it in the house. He's giving the dog an apple. The dog was walking through my house eating an apple all over my carpet earlier today. So it is officially fall and the temperature is officially dropping down here in Texas. Even though it's not going to stay cold. It's cold right now. So for the baby, I got her a little zip up hoodie. Super cute. And then I didn't get her a winter coat because it's not safe for babies to be in a car seat wearing a coat. So I didn't get her like a full-on coat, but I still don't want her to be cold either. But you know, we'll layer her up with like blankets and stuff like that. But I did get her this little fleece. And then I got Tiana this sweater. And then Fatty needed some more jeans. He's good on like fall clothes because he has clothes, like a bunch of clothes left over from last year that he got that he couldn't fit, that he's finally growing into. So I didn't get him any more shirts, but he does not have any jeans that he can fit. So I got him these jeans from Target. And then I also got him these. They're the same cut, just two different washes. These are the medium wash and then these are the light wash. So it's the same cut. It's just like the straight leg jeans. These are only like $14 at Target too. And then some more clothes for the baby. So these are some bottoms to go with her zip up hoodie. Some basic black leggings.
Mommy?
Yes.
We made Tanea so much. We made Tanea laugh so much that she's literally yelling.
I know, I heard her. And then some fleece line leggings. So these have the fleece lining on the inside. So these are super warm. And a long sleeve shirt for her. She actually has some more stuff coming. But I think it comes in tomorrow, so I don't have that stuff yet. And then for me, I got me some more Curology. This is the face wash. And then I actually seen McKenna get these for her boys. And I was like, these are so freaking cute. So I scoured Target's website to get these for my kids. So They got the matching Christmas pajamas. These are a 3T. They sent a 3T. These are too big. This was supposed to be for the baby. I'm gonna have to see if I can get that exchanged. Let me check the sizes now. Okay, so this is for Tiana. And then Fatty got the same thing. I'm just checking the sizes. Okay. No! He was not supposed to have an 8. He was supposed to have a... Oh, wait, no. The medium was... Okay, it says medium 8. I probably should have got him a large. I'm going to have to exchange Fatty and Tanae's. That's what I got from Target. Yeah, the kids, they have like pajama day at school, and then we have like a Christmas party and stuff. So they wear their Christmas pajamas more than me and also do. Have kids, they said. It'll be fun, they said. They're so loud all the time. Like if you have sensory issues, forget about it. They don't care. I don't have sensory issues. I'm just saying, if you have sensory issues and you have kids. Anyway. Okay, I have to get this mess cleaned up. My baby also needs to eat dinner, so I'm going to have one of the kids feed her actually, because I got to get this house clean first. Not clean. I'm not going to get it clean. I'm going to get it straightened up.
Tanae's trying to beat me up.
What am I supposed to do about it? Okay, just getting the table set up because after they get done eating, then we're gonna carve a pumpkin. So I'm gonna get all the pumpkin carving stuff. Okay, got the whole little kit. Let's see, got pliers for like the candle, and I need to get a little tea light candle for the inside. Tea light candle. I swear, every time we go into the laundry room, the dog thinks she's gonna get a treat, because that's where we keep her snacks. So every time I go in the laundry room, she follows me. Look at her.
And the thing is, when you open it,
Betty and Cash have matching pajamas. So, Cash, you want to put in your pajamas? Okay, come on. Sit down. Good job.
it's okay. Come look, I'm right here. I just go put my hand off. What does this say?
Oh, you look so pretty. Oh, the puppy wuppy, so pretty. You just burped in my face, Cash. You're so rude. Oh, look at that puppy. Ooh, you're so pretty. Come on, Fatty. Come over here by your sister. Sit down. Sit down. Ooh, look at the twins. Cash, stop it. Show the camera. Ooh, we so cute. You about to push me on the floor. Okay, so we are OZing it with the pumpkin spice. So I have pumpkin spice cookies and pumpkin spice cinnamon rolls.
Cheese pizza? Done.
Yeah.
What do you want?
Should I just do like 3 cookies?
What is present?
Yeah, because we have cinnamon rolls too. And then I put 4 on the tray. Ouch! Why did I just touch that? I knew I just took that out the oven and I touched it anyway. Oh, you know what we were supposed to be doing? Caramel apples. I forgot. I bought the apples and everything. I kind of wish Halloween was like on a weekend. Because like, y'all gotta go to bed in a couple of hours.
Are you doing it the special way?
Just a tad. Yeah, I just don't want my cinnamon rolls dry, so I'm just gonna put a little bit in there, and then probably some vanilla. Cinnamon rolls are ready.
Tanae trying to eat your pajamas.
Let me go.
See, Daddy?
Man, why would you sit it over there by her? You know she gonna go straight for it. Right, come get her. Ow.
What the hell? You're man, Barnes. I also got what's
That's what spaghetti. Okay, y'all, so the movie's over. We ended up watching Haunted Mansion, and it's the one with Eddie Murphy. So not the new one. I still want to watch the new one because we haven't seen it yet, but we just watched the old one with Eddie Murphy. Hilarious. The kids was like, well, Fetty, Tiana know who Eddie Murphy is, but Fetty was like, he's funny. He's the funniest person in the whole movie. He's like, yeah, duh, that's Eddie Murphy. But anyway, okay, it's currently 8:40 at night. Kids are about to go to bed. It's already past their bedtime. But just wanted to come back on here really quick so I can close out the vlog and show you guys the finished products on our pumpkin. But before I do that, make sure y'all hit the subscribe button. If you don't hit the subscribe button, you can at least hit the like button. If you watch this whole video, if you watch this one now, just hit the like button. The button don't bite, I promise. Just touch it. So anyway, I'm gonna show you the pumpkin. I'm gonna show you guys the pumpkin. So